Hi, I'm your teacher, Kevin.
Hi everyone, I'm your friend Bobo.
Bobo, have you ever thought about the wheel? Like, how was the wheel invented? And why is it round?
Why?
A long time ago, our ancestors used to hunt and collect food. As more and more food was collected, it became very difficult to carry it back to their home. One day, a strong wind was blowing, and they noticed that round things like logs and stones moved more easily in the wind. So they invented wheels to help them carry food. After that, the wheel was widely used from ancient times to modern times, like in a chariot, the windlass, the car, and the fan. In fact, these all share a common name: wheel and axle. So let's build a windlass and see how this wheel and axle principle works. This is the Mabot drive ball. We take the drive ball as a whole, it is a wheel. There it is. Let's try turning the crank. Look at that. The bucket is lifted. It's the crank driving the wheel. If we put a string on the end of the crank, it would be much longer than the string that's on the wheel. Why is that? If we have two wheels of different sizes and we make one rotation, the large wheel will travel more distance than the small wheel. If we take those two wheels and put them together, the large one is the wheel, and the small one is the axle. If we turn the wheel, we travel more distance to save power. This is what we did with the windlass. If we turn the axle, it takes more power, but we travel more distance. This is what we do with cars. Most of the wheels and axles in modern life are electrically driven. Can we make a windlass to lift water automatically? Of course we can. Remember, Mabot has the energy. Add a battery ball and a brain ball to the windlass. And I'm going to get rid of the crank. Now we need to connect Mabot to the IDE. Take a wheel run block and put it inside a start block. Set the wheel power at 15 and then press the play button. Look, the windlass is turning. Uh-oh. It seems like the windlass won't stop turning. How do we get our bucket to come back down? Click the wheel 1 block to slide the power to the left to -15. See? The Mabot windlass turned backward. Reset the power of the wheel 1 block to 5 and then select Run a While. Set the running time as 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 8 seconds, and 10 seconds. Let's see how far the bucket is lifted. Did you notice that the greater the power was, the faster our wheel turned? Also, in our program, the direction of the power bar was related to the forward or backward movement of the drive ball. Now we understand how the wheel and axle works, and we use a wheel or axle to build a car or an electric fan or a spinning chair ride. Try building one of these yourself. I have a challenge for you. Let's see if you can use the wheel and axle to make your school bag move by itself.